Hello and welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, my name is Charlie Fox and today's video I'm going to be making an ice float with lemonade and ice cream. So let's go. So I've already left the ice cream out so that can defrost a bit, so it's easier to then find your ice cream scoop, which is kept in here for some reason. Why is it up there? And I also forgot that it wouldn't be an ice float without lemonade, all known as 7-Up. So, to make your ice float, all you got to do is just get your lemonade, open it up, nice crash that made, pour it into your glass, as much as you want. It's going to overflow. And then basically, you're going to get your ice cream, which is over here, and you're going to open it, and you're going to put it on top. That was the worst bit ever. Ooh, the ice cream's a bit soft. How much ice cream do I want? That is the question. Then you watch this. Oh, look at that. Look at that fizz. Yeah, then you add the rest of your lemonade. Oh. So here it is after I added the rest of the ice cream and the lemonade. Alright, if you don't know me by now, I like a good taste test. So here is going to be my taste test of an ice float, lemonade and caramel ice cream. So it's got like a big hair of foam, I suppose. It's really good so far. But here is the taste test. Bloody amazing. Because with that, you can get your spoon, and when you're really hungry, you can just eat a bit of ice cream and have a drink at the same time. So let me get some ice cream. Let me just find it. Here you go. Ice cream and lemonade, baby. So, if you enjoyed this video, I think you should like and subscribe, post notifications, and thank you very much for watching. It's been Charlie Fox here.